Hello, that's pretty dark. Let's do this. There we go.
Much better.
It's a lot better.
How full are you from yesterday? I'm gonna interview you about Thanksgiving.
Did that look better? Maybe it's too bright. There, that's it. That's the money shot.
On
Okay.
a scale of 1 to 10.
2016.
Listen, no.
2016 Thanksgiving. Incredible. Day started out, we woke up, saw Mama.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, babes.
And then we watched the Thanksgiving Day parade.
Alright. It's crazy.
We were there 4 years ago.
After that, we went to my grandma's house. What's up, fam?
Hello. Thanksgiving's going to be lit, fam.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Good. Did you make
Happy
it?
Thanksgiving.
Those look so good.
Whoa! Those are unreal.
Get better every time.
That's so sick.
Yeah.
Hello, Grandpa. Yeah, man. How's it going? Good, good. And you go.
Wow. There's Caitlin.
Cute. I love your dress. Thank you. Would you like to?
Sliced turkey, we have turkey and gravy, we have ham,
All right, good.
and stuffing, just so you know.
Oh
As
yeah.
you go through the line, you'll see the turkey and gravy.
Go get it, Mom.
Get a close up of the best.
We can get more than last
That'll
time
be
because
gone.
we...
Tyler's like, what, sixth in line? He'll use at least that much of that.
That's good stuff.
People trying to get in.
They think it all fit. If you keep coming, yeah, you can fit it.
You trying to get hotter in here?
And what was really weird was my grandpa found this yearbook that was from the year that my mom and dad graduated high school, from my mom and dad's high school, but it was of some random chick.
You have to be one of the nicest, oh, I think it means nicest, cutest, intelligent girls I know. I really mean that. I'm really glad we're getting to know each other better this year. You have a great personality and you are loads of fun to be around. Best of luck in your career and finding and keeping that special guy. Love, your pal, Maria, 86.
Read that one.
Don't forget,
Okay.
don't forget all the fun times, especially in trying to explain things to Ricardo. Oh. Number 635.
Are you serious?
This is kind of amazing as a Ricardo and Campbell County.
Shelly Schweitzer.
Maybe it's not a Campbell.
Well,
We don't know who
your dad and Uncle Kevin are both in it, but we don't care about them at this time. We are currently just looking at Shelly Schweitzer and who she is and who Ricardo
How did you get this? Where'd you get
all the
this?
things that they have to
Grandpa got it
explain.
because Grandpa's old and he went to a senior citizen picnic. And at the senior citizen picnic, they had various yearbooks for people to take, and he thought that his children.
Wait, so somebody just gave this yearbook away,
Yes, because
Great.
probably somebody died and didn't want it anymore.
and Grandpa just took it. So Shelly.
No, he ended up
Shelley.
given to him.
Oh,
Shelly may no longer be with us, so we need to be respectful.
And if
you were not
anybody wants it,
creative.
it's yours.
Zach, did you hear that? Grandma said you can have that.
What?
You
Yeah.
can have that.
Wow.
So this yearbook is this lady's,
Is this all of them?
and we found her. Flip to the page,
Wait, I
Zach.
want to see what she looks like.
There she
Who
is.
is it that you guys want
We
to know who
we
is it?
found her.
Shelly Schweitzer.
It's her book.
That's her book, and she had some interesting times with a fella named Ricardo.
Really?
Yeah, and then back in the front, there's all these notes that we were learning about Shelly herself.
It's the PS. The PS says, don't forget all the fun times, especially in trying to explain things to Ricardo. Underline exclamation mark. Keep in touch. And then there's a
And she
phone
left
number and
her
it
house
says
number.
hint. Well, there was no cell.
I know, just kidding.
Oh, this is also the same year that my mom was a senior. So
I don't know her. I don't think I know her.
Well, did you know Ricardo?
I don't know Ricardo. Ricardo.
I don't know how I got the yearbook. I think he went to like some thing and they traded for it.
That was the goof. Nobody knows how I got it.
I don't know. It was great though. Great entertainment. So That was a big hit at Thanksgiving.
My grandpa has a cabinet now for all of his creations. This is tight.
I made a second.
Look at this. That's amazing. This is a dragon with deer antlers, and then those are deer teeth. And the dragon. That is so sick. And then the rest is wood. What kind of wood is it?
Basswood.
Basswood? That is sweet.
After that, we went to Haley's family's Thanksgiving. Haley's aunt made this house look insane.
It was very home and garden.
It looked like a painting.
This is the most Thanksgiving I've ever had.
Laughing at the birds.
This is like just like the pictures.
We were there for a little while. We just kind of like split the time between the families. Do you have anything else you'd like to add?
One moment.
So right now we're headed back to Salt Lake.
Favorite side dish, quick.
Stuffing.
Quick.
Stuffing.
Sweet potatoes.
So we're headed back home.
Favorite family member.
So we're headed back home on Black Friday, and I had no idea that this is like the airport. I've never seen it this dead. There's no one here. I thought it was gonna be like at least somewhat packed from people traveling back home after the holidays, but didn't happen. So now we're just sitting waiting for our flight to head back to Salt Lake, and there's a bird in here.
Oh.
You see that?
No, where?
It's right there. You don't see that bird? Look at the bird. Birds don't belong in airports.
It's Black Friday. The union came out with some more stuff today, so go check that out. It's really cool. I sketched this hat about a year ago. I wanted to make this happen last year, and it kind of just didn't. And now this year we made it happen. I've been in the process of making it happen for a few months. Turned out really great. It's a beanie. Really happy with it. So go check that out. Send the guys some love. And
He's tweeting.
yeah, did you hear that?
Oh no, like he's actually tweeting.